You can make this one much wider if you want. This side's going to go in. Pull it up. If you want, you can go to A, edit, and add another point to it if you want to make it more detailed. Make it as long as you like. Then press Y, you're done. Scale it up maybe. Add it to the bottom of the rows. Next step, press Y, you're done. Nice. Add it to the rows. Click custom ribbon one more time. And we're just gonna draw a little leaf like that. Press Y, edit it. If you grab these 2 points and then grab with your other hand and pull in, you can make like a tip of the leaf, and you're going to curve it in an F shape. It's okay to put it inside of the thing if you want. I'll grab all these points, pinch them in. You can click here if you still have Loop Edition. Pull that side in, click X, and you can take this and duplicate maybe 3, 4, 5 times by clicking it. Take this, group it with X, and now you can duplicate the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't add too many, you will start lagging. Then you can go to draw, still stay on custom ribbon, scale your stick out, make it a white, actually make a circle like this, right? You can grab it, edit it, select all these, push the circle up, grab all these, pinch it in like that by grabbing your second hand and pulling it in, go like that. Make it a loop, click Y when you're done, grab it, extend it out. Put all these roses in there. That's why you group them, so you can just toss them all in there. Push the circle out, grab all of them. Press X to group it. Grab it, scale it in. And now you have a set of roses with a nice set of chocolates. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.